The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on March 31st, 1974 in Bombay, India.
So this is the process.
Yes.
If you want to know God, Krishna means God,
Yes.
then this is the process.
Yes.
What is that? Mai asakta.
Maya sakta mano hai.
Mai asakta.
Maya sakta mano partha.
Yoga Museum Madras.
This is yoga practice also.
Yoga.
Yoga means to concentrate the mind on a subject matter.
Yes.
So, we should meditate upon Krishna. Mai asakta. Then gradually it increase your attachment for it.
Yes.
And that is the perfection of life. The perfection of life,
Yes.
the symbol is in Vrindavan.
Yes.
Because all the inhabitants of Vrindavan,
Yes.
they were very, very much attached to
Attached to
Krishna.
Krishna.
The cowherd boys, the girls,
Yes.
the elderly persons,
Yes.
the trees, the flowers,
Yes.
the land, the birds, the bees,
Yes.
the cows.
Yes.
The center was Krishna.
Yes.
So we have to follow their footprints.
Yes.
How to? We have got already attachment.
Yes. Yoga Museum Madras.
No, attachment we have got for material things.
Yes.
That we have to transfer. This is yoga practice.
That is yoga. Correct.
Yeah. Yoga Indriya Sangam. Yoga, I think it is Patanjali Sutra.
Is a Chitta Vritti Nirodha.
Yeah, Chitta
Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha.
Nirod. So, our activities are now materially centered.
Yes.
How to satisfy the senses.
Yeah.
All this so-called improvement,
Yeah.
material improvement means how to satisfy the senses. So, this asakti, attachment for material sense gratification
It has to be transferred.
to Krishna. Maya asakta manasya. This is yoga.
Yes.
This is bhakti yoga.
Ah. It is very jnanam te
But it can be done madasraya. Asraya to take shelter.
Yes.
Taking shelter of Krishna.
Yes.
You can make this meaning,
Yes.
or madasraya means one who has taken shelter of Krishna.
Krishna. Correct. That is correct. Madasraya means asraya.
Either you directly, it is not possible to take shelter
Yes.
of Krishna. Therefore, madasraya means one who has taken shelter of me.
Yes.
That is parampara system. You take shelter of it. Then the result will be asangsayam. Hare Krishna. Asangsayam means at the present moment,
Without any doubts.
people are in doubt whether there is God,
Ah.
or if there is God, he might have died by this time. So there are so many. Yes. When I first went to USA, the theory was God is dead. Yes. But when I began to speak, they realized, no, God is not dead. God is in Swamiji. They wrote.
Yes.
They wrote articles.
Yes.
So, asangsang
Samagrama.
Ah.
From all aspects.
from all aspects.
Yes.
Jatha Ganshasi, Tasinu.
Ah.
So, Krishna is speaking about himself.
Yes.
We can speculate about God,
Ah.
but they will never be successful because we have got limited senses.
Yes. Correct.
Therefore, you hear from Krishna about Krishna. This is called Bhakti.
And he wants to tell the jnanam, sayam savijnanam. What I have realized, I tell you.
No, not realized.
Experienced.
Savijnana.
Savijnana.
How it can be practically applied.
Yes. How it is practically.
Not that he has realized. He is God, he is already realized.
Savijnanam means method of
This method of knowing.
Application.
Application. Method of-
Practical.
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 Just like practical science.
Practical science.
If you want to pass BA examination, you have to appear
Herein.
for theoretical and practical, both.
Here and practice both.
Yeah. So this Bhakti Yoga means to know God, at the same time practically employ yourself in the service of God or in the transaction between God and yourself. That is Vijnana. Sabhijnana.
This is Jnana.
What is the distinction between Jnana and Vijnana?
Jnana means theoretical knowledge
Theoretical knowledge.
and Vijnana means practical knowledge. Simply to know God is great, that is not sufficient.
That's theoretical.
Yeah, that is theoretical. You must know how great He is. That we have to learn from the Shastras, from the Guru, how great He is. Just like in the Brahma Samhita, Vedic, Jato Vaimani Bhutani Jayanti. He is the source of our material elements. In Him, everything stays. And after annihilation, everything goes into Him. This is one understanding. Nitya Nityanam Chetana Chetanana.
Eko Bhavanam.
In this way, from Vedas, from Guru, from saintly persons, we have to understand. Sadhu Guru, Shastra Vakta. Sadhu means who speaks strictly on the Shastra. Guru also speaks strictly on Shastra. Shastra is the medium. Yashastra vidhi misrijya bhartate kavakara. Na siddhi shastra. Therefore we protest. Unless there is something mentioned in the authorized shastras, we don't accept.
Is it Nitya Anityanam or Nitya Nityanam?
Nitya Nityanam. Puranam.
No, that's Nitya highest.
Puranam.
Permanent impermanent.
Both of them permanent. No. Permanent, the jivas and the Supreme Lord, both of them are permanent, nitya. Na hannante hannamane sari. It's like nitya sasatayam. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita. Nitya sasatayam. Eternal. Always existing. And this material world has been described asasata. Dukkhalayam asasata. Asasata. It is not permanent. Bhutta praliyate. It appears and disappears. So because nitya nityanam, there is transaction between the nitya, the supreme nitya, Krishna, and the subordinate nityas, the living entity. So there must be one place also where this transaction takes place. Because this is anitya. This material world is anitya. So how the transaction between the nitya and nityanam can take place? Because the place is anitya. Therefore there must be a place which is nitya. There must be a place. That is Vaikuntha Dham, spiritual world. So, by practicing Bhakti Yoga scientifically, by practical understanding, practical application, Yogam Junjan Madasaya, either at the shelter, then Anna Gyatabbam, no, then you become perfect.
Yes.
No more knowledge.
No more knowledge is
Yes,
required.
knowledge
Final.
is well. Yes.
That's not one.
Jasmin Vigyate
Aushishya
Sarvamedam Vigyatam Bhavanti. This is also Upanishad. Jasmin Vigyate. If you simply understand Krishna, then Sarvameva Vigyatam Bhavanti. Then you have got full knowledge. And that is also stated in the 4th chapter. Janma karma me dibbam, jujanati tat. Tattati hang punarjanam. Mami. He becomes immediately living. Simply if you understand Krishna, what is Krishna? Tat. In truth, then your business is.
Manusyanam sabdeshu kasyadati.
Yeah.
Tatamasa siddhanam kasyat
Yes, to understand Krishna is not so easy job. First of all, So many millions and millions of living entities are there. They are not interested. They are like animals. Eat, drink, be merry and enjoy. Nobody is interested. What is the success of life, siddhi? They do not know. They think now especially in this age, if you can eat sumptuously, then it is siddhi. All siddhi. Yes. Udaram bharita. Sartham udaram bharita. Just, you see, people are so lazy. If they can eat their daily food somewhere or other, begging, borrowing and stealing, just like animals.
That what Udara Shishna
Parayana.
Parana.
So, they think, now my day's business is finished. Now I'm eating. And dakham kutumba bharanam. And if one man can maintain a family of 4 or 5 men, he is Maharaj Dakha. Maharaj Dakha, he was a great personality, was performing yajna. So this is Kali Yuga. Even they will not be able to maintain a wife, a few children. There is no shelter. I've seen in all these things in Western countries. They have no fixed star, just like animals. The animals are loitering in the street or in the jungle. They are loitering in a great jungle, a great city, that's all. Yes. Therefore, the Mahabharats cannot understand.
Yes.
Although they have come to the point of Siddha, still they cannot understand. Jatatamapi Siddhana. They are Siddhas because they have understood that I am not this body. Aham Brahmasmi. This much they have understood. But still they cannot understand Krishna. Jatatamapi Siddhana. Although they are trying. They do not know. They say Krishna is Nirakara. Krishna is Nirakara. God is Nirakara. I am as good as God. These theories, incongruous theory, because they do not know. Jatatamapi Siddhana. So, when one has come to this knowledge perfectly, that I am not this body, I am spirit soul, aham brahmasmi. That is Brahma-bhuta stage. So after Brahma-bhuta stage, there are so many other things. Brahma-bhuta prasannatma nasutati nata. Samas-sarvesu.
Samas-sarvesu.
Then he comes to the bhakti yoga. Not that only Daridra-Narayan Seva, not Dhani-Narayan Seva.
You came out with that.
No, that is the deficiency. Why? If Daridra is Narayan, why not the Dhani?
Again, we have not to die.
No. We have to accept.
Let him.
Samas-sarvesu bhutesu, a devotee is equal. Either he is Daridra-Narayan or Dhani-Narayan.
Yes.
It is not
Both
that.
are equal.
Both are
Whether
equal.
poor or rich.
Yes,
Devotee is equal. Whether
that is
poor or rich.
samas-sarvesu bhutesu. Why there should be distinction?
Kham manobhuddhi ahankaram bhinna prakriti ashtara.
Yeah.
It's the lower prakriti of God.
So now the first study begins from material point of view. Where from the sky came? How the sky came into existence? First of all, skies. Then from sky there is sound.
7.
Then from sound there is air. From air there is. Along with this creation, the sky creation means the ear creation. The reception of the sound. It is all described with this Srimad Bhagavatam very nicely, how creation took place. Then ultimately we come to the land, where all the qualities of other elements are there. There is sound, there is touch, there is vision, there is smell, everything is there. And the subtle matters, mind, chitta, intelligence, intelligence, then false ego. This is At the present moment, everyone is thinking in the bodily concept of life. I'm American, I'm Indian, I'm Brahmin, I'm Kshatriya. This is false ego. He's not, neither of them. Because he is spirit soul, a different identity. So, how the subtle mind, intelligence are working, one should know how transmigration of the soul takes place by the action of mind, intelligence and ego. They do not know. There is no such science. There are so many universities all over the world, but who is studying all these things? The psychologists, they are studying a little more about thinking, feeling and willing, that's all. But they do not know how he is working, how he is carrying the subtle soul to other body, that they do not know.
Aparayam.
Why do you not explain that?
Huh?
Why do you not explain that about subtle body being carried forward?
Yes.
About
That is going to
something
come
of
now.
that.
Subtle body, just like your body at night is on the bed, but you are carried by the thinking, feeling, intelligence to somewhere else. Is it not? So how you are carried? You are actually lying on the bed, Hare Krishna. It is carried by the subtle body. Similarly, death means that this body stops working. But the subtle mind, exactly in the same way. Just while you are sleeping, this gross body has stopped to work. But the subtle body is working.
That is in Swapna.
Swapna, yes.
But
So-
it also does not work in deep sleep.
Huh?
In deep sleep it does not work, no?
This sleep means temporary. Again the subtle mind intelligence come back. So death means no more coming back, it goes elsewhere. That is death. Is it
The
clear?
pranas leave.
Huh? Yes, you forget. Hare Krishna, Jaya. You forget. When you dream, you forget that you have got this gross body and you are the father of such and such, or mother of such and
Because
such.
this is all due to mind only.
Huh? Yes,
The
mind forgets.
That's it.
The subtle body works. Similarly, we are dying daily. That is also there.
Nitya pralaya.
Nitya pralaya. But now, because the body is fit, therefore you come again to enjoy with the body. Khetra.
Because of
You come to the khetra. It's like you are tilling some land, but when it becomes useless, you cannot till. You have to go elsewhere. Suppose it is overflooded, you cannot work there. Similarly, death means when the mind, intelligence, along with the soul cannot work in this body, he has to go to some other body. Tatha dehantara prapti. Dehantara prapti.
That occurs when the prarabdha...
Yes, that will be decided by the prarabdha and everything. So, in this way, death means this gross body, no more working, that's all.
Subtle body lives always.
Yeah,
Till it is, liquidated from the Maya clutches and
Yeah. Till
comes into the Golok
yeah,
with Krishna.
the vitaraga. When you are completely free from all attachment of this material world, then tattadeham punarjanma naiti.
Mameti.
Mame.
Yada sarve prabhujyante kamani manasa.
Yes. Then you do not come again. Mameti. You go back to home, back to God.
Aparayam sudastvanyam praकृतिं विद्धि मे पराम जीवभूतां महाबाहो
Hare
यदा
Krishna.
धार्यते जगत.
That is
Jaya.
consciousness. That the conscious
Hmm?
apara prakriti. This is the
No.
para prakriti.
Not consciousness. Consciousness is also matter. Consciousness.
There are two prakritis. Lower
Prakriti, no, that Prakriti is soul.
Hmm.
That Prakriti is soul. Para Prakriti.
Is
Para
soul.
prakriti, yeah.
So soul is also Prakriti. Soul is not Purusha. The Mayavadi, they consider soul as Purusha. But it is spoken in the Bhagavad Gita as Prakriti. Prakriti, Jiva Bhuta Mahabhav.
Jiva Bhuta Mahabhava.
Jiva Bhuta, the soul which is now covered with this material body, is called Jiva Bhuta.
Parayam
So therefore, it is decided that both these material elements and the soul, both of them are Prakritis. One is superior, another is
You call
inferior.
the upper Prakriti soul.
Huh?
No,
Yes.
Apara is a matter.
Matter, yes,
Para.
apara.
No, para is the soul.
Para
Jiva
is the
Bhuta
soul.
Mahabhava. That is also Prakriti word.
And
Yeah, idam
no,
dharite
no.
jagat.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
is what is the proof of the soul? No, Jaidam dharjate jagat. One who is working with this inferior energy. Just like I am working with this body.
It animates the inferior enemy.
Huh?
It animates the inferior Prakriti. you mean to
Yes,
say.
working. Working. One is the worker, and another is the working ingredient.
Yeah, idam dharyate jagat.
Jagat.
That means
Because,
jagat is being held by that.
yes, because this Bombay city is important, because there are so many paraprakritis. If there was no living entity, who cares for the Bombay city?
So living entity is the Paraprakriti.
Yes,
Living entity is Prakriti.
para. But Prakriti, but it is Prakriti. It is not Purush. Therefore this Prakriti is trying to become Purush. Yeah, that is illusion.
Or people calling Prakriti as Purush is Mayavad.
Huh? No, no.
No, Purush.
Prakriti, Jiva, they are working, they are trying to, but they are trying to be enjoyed. But that is not possible. Prakriti is enjoyed. Just like Sri Purush. Purush is enjoyed and Sri is enjoyed. Similarly, Prakriti is used for the satisfaction of the Purush.
So that
So if the Jiva is Prakriti,
That is
then the
Sankhya.
Purusha is the Supreme Person. Therefore his business is to satisfy the Supreme Purusha. This is Bhakti Yoga.
Isn't it Sankhya?
Yes,
the
it is
Prakriti
Sankhya.
trying to satisfy Purush is a Sankhya philosophy.
Yes, yes, this is Sankhya. This is Sankhya philosophy.
Jiva is a Prakriti, isn't it?
Prakriti.
Jiva is a Prakriti.
Ah. And the Mahavadi philosophy, they say it is Purusha. Therefore,
is a Prakriti.
therefore Abhishuddha Buddha. The Mahavadis are described as Abhishuddha Buddha.
Buddha was also an avatar of Krishna.
Oh, and Bhagavad Gita it is all said, Abuddhaya.
Abuddhaya.
What is that? Slow.
Abuddhaya.
Mannate maam abuddhaya.
Abuddhaya.
Means without buddhi, then
Abbaktam bhakti mahapannam
Mannate maam
abuddhaya.
Param bhava janam.
So these Mahavadis are abuddhaya.
Abuddhaya.
They are not intelligent.
No, Abuddhaya.
And in Bhagavad it is said, Abhishuddha Buddhaya. The plural number is there. Abhishuddha, their intelligence is not yet clear. Abhishuddha.
Abuddhaya.
Abhishuddha. Jannaira Vindakha Vimukta Mani. But they are thinking that they have become liberated. Now they address among themselves Narayan. Narayan.
एतद् योनिनि भूतानि सर्वाणि तु प्रधान अहं कृष्णस्य जगतः प्रभो
Yes.
That is unit.
Etat Jonini, all kinds of species or forms of life, or whatever you see, they are simply combination of this para-prakriti and apara-prakriti.
Yes.
But both the prakritis coming from Krishna, Janmadasya Jataha, he is the actual cause of everything.
अहं कृष्णस्य जगतः
Prabhava, Prabhava,
But I am the source of-
Prabhava as Brahma, a creation, as Vishnu, maintenance, as Shiva, dissolution. So, but Krishna is the origin, cause of Brahma, Vishnu. Aham Adirhi Devana. Aham Adirhi
So
Devana.
he is in a way all the three.
He is on the yes. He is on
Yes,
the three.
he is not only
And
three,
above
he is
them,
many.
above them, and above them.
He is
And
many.
above them.
Eko Bahusha,
Translate.
not three. But in the material world, that three may be the beginning. But there are many.
एकोऽहं बहुश्याम्
Yes.
एकोऽहं बहुश्याम् अहं कृष्णस्य जगतः प्रभो प्रलय तथा मत्तः परतं अस्ति धनञ्जय
Now, because he is the ultimate cause, therefore no more superior.
Nothing beyond me.
Nothing. Matta parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananda.
मयि सर्वम इदम प्रोतम सूत्रे मणिगणा इव
Yes.
रसो
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Because he is the original cause. Therefore, everything is depending on him. That is explained in the 9th chapter, I think. Maya tadavidam sarvam. Jagat abbak. The Abbakta Murti also he is. That is another feature. Another feature. But Maya, the central feature is the person, Krishna.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मिषु सरिष्णुवेयो प्रणव सर्ववेदेषु
Now,
सर्ववेदेषु
those who cannot realize
शब्द खे
the supreme cause,
Yes.
they are instructed. How to realize?
Yes.
How to realize if while drinking water you think, now this taste is Krishna. Rasoham of Sukham. He says that I am the taste of the water. So everyone is drinking water. There is no man who does not drink water. At least. So if he remembers, now the taste, this taste is Krishna, then he remembers Krishna. And that is bhakti. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam. Even by remembering, he becomes a devotee gradually.
प्रभास्मि सरिष्णुवेयो
Yes. And even if you cannot understand this, how the taste of the water becomes Krishna, all right, you see the sunlight, you inquire where from the light is coming. Then you come to Krishna. And if you are not foolish, ordinary person, if you are Vedantis, then try the Omkar, myself.
प्रणव
Om
सर्ववेदेषु
Tadvishnu Paramam Padam. He is learned, he is thinking Nirakar. No, I am. Pranava, the Omkar, beginning of all Vedic mantras is Omkar, that I am.
सर्ववेदेषु
Yes,
शब्द
yes.
खे पौरुषम नुषु
Yeah.
शब्द
And-
खे
Yes. A Shabda, Khe, in the sky. In the sky there is Shabda. As the aeroplane goes, and there is Shabda. Guru, 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 guru. You can remember Krishna. Is it very difficult? You see? Bhakti Yoga, how nice it is. When the aeroplane is passing, there is Guru Guru Shabda, you find Krishna. When you are tasting water, you find Krishna. When there is sunrise, you find Krishna. When there is moonrise, you find. When you are chanting Vedas, you find Krishna. So how you can be without Krishna consciousness? It is simply foolishness that it is cannot be done. No. How it can be done? That Krishna personally is teaching. Learn it. And do it.
पुण्य गंध पृथिव्याम च
Yeah.
तेजस्यास्मि विभावसौ
There are two kinds of smell. Bad smell and good smell. So when you smell a nice flower, Punnaganga, you remember Krishna. Here is Krishna. Here is Krishna. Punnaganga Pratibhyam.
तेजस्यास्मि
When you find Vibhutimat, Satta, a very powerful man, a powerful elephant, you know, that there is Krishna. This power is Krishna.
It is 10th Adhyaya.
यद्यद् विभूति मत् सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव तत्तद्दैवतमोक्षं भवतेजो
So where is the difficulty to understand Krishna? Every moment you can remember Krishna, every moment you can see Krishna, provided you have got eyes. Primanjana churita bhakti vilochanena santa sadaiva hridayasya. Santa. So you have to become a santa, perfect santa. Then you will see Krishna always.
जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु
The
तपस्यास्मि
very
तपस्वी
life of every,
Huh?
very life of every individual is
Yeah.
Jivanam Sarvabhutesh.
Yeah.
तपस्यास्मि
So without Krishna, as soon as, so long the Paramatma is there, or the Jiva is there. Jiva is also Krishna, because part and parcel of Krishna. Achinta Veda. So long Krishna is there, as either as Atma or Paramatma, then the body is moving. But the so-called scientists, they do not know. Therefore, they do not understand what is Krishna.
Scientists have started understanding.
Huh?
Scientists have started understanding Krishna.
They are standing.
They have started understanding Krishna.
Ah.
Scientists.
Then here is the This is very simple. A child can understand. Here is a dead body, and here is a living body. What is the difference? Like Krishna is not there, and here is Krishna. That's all.
That's what I said yesterday.
Yeah. But these rascal scientists will not understand this. No, yes. They are, I know one scientist, rascal scientist, he has written one chemical evolution.
Yeah. Literally, yes.
Yes.
An article came.
Yeah, chemical evolution. From chemical life has come. Just see, and he has got Nobel Prize. You see?
The Russians.
Is it?
No, that man has not got the Nobel.
Oh yes, I know. In California University, he was there. So one
Genetics, yes,
of my
California.
students, he is also professor in the Dr. Sarup Damara. He challenged that suppose if I give you the chemicals, can you produce life? That time he said, that I cannot say. From that day, his meeting was not attended by the students. Yes. He theoretically said that from chemicals, life has come into existence.
Is a matter of
Nah.
fact, life keeps the chemicals together. As soon as the life goes away, the chemicals dissolve.
Dissolve, yes. Yeah, as a medical practitioner, no. Where is chemical? Where is chemical? That is a fact.
Always fact.
Still we are researching it.
There is no research.
That is, but when the fact is there, what is the use of your researching? When the fact is already there, what is the use of your so-called research?
How we can see
Huh?
Krishna?
Huh?
How we can
That is being explained.
बीजम माम सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम बुद्धिवता बुद्धिवतामस्ति
That
तेजस
is
तेजस्विनामः
explained. That Prabhasmi Shashi Surya. Shashi means moon
Chandra.
and Surya means sun. Prabha. So as soon as in the morning you see the sunshine, there you see Krishna.
I am the very light of sun and moon.
Why do you say I don't see Krishna? Krishna says I am here. That Prabhasmi Shashi Surya.
But realize no.
But why don't you see?
what is there? But we want to see
No, no, no. Huh?
Lord Krishna.
That will take 3 millions of years to understand. That is already explained.
Yes.
Manusalam sahaseshu kaschi jatati siddhaya jatatam api siddhana. That is not so easy.
What is the method of seeing?
Yeah, bhakti jo. That is the beginning. Maya saktamana pratham yoga munyan madasaya asangsaya samagrang mang jatha
Swami,
That
my-
is being explained.
No, my doubt is that some people must have become Siddha in this age also.
Huh?
Who must have seen Krishna. You see,
No, jatatam api siddhana. Even siddhas cannot see.
Yatatamapi, but then there must be somebody of the Siddha.
Yeah, I mean, those siddhas were satisfied. Now I have become
No,
Brahma.
not who satisfied.
And still after that, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatmana Sochati Nakankhati Samasarvisu Mad Bhakti Lagatapana, one is engaged in bhakti. They also, after many years, will understand what is Krishna.
But in this age there must be some people who must have understood.
There is always,
Ah.
not in this age or that age.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
And then he must have seen the Krishna in the human
Ah,
form. That is the divine power,
So,
Satchidananda Vigraha.
yes,
Sachidanand Vigraha is the real Vigraha of Krishna form.
yes.
Krishna when lived on earth, he
Now
had that form.
just
But
like
Sachidanand
a
Vigraha is the real
devotee
form.
sees the deity of Krishna.
Come here.
They-
Sachidanand Vigraha is the real form of Krishna.
Yeah.
If you can understand it beyond the 5 senses of yours.
Yeah.
You cannot see with the charm eyes or with hear him with these ears. You have to go beyond.
Now,
Yeah.
you can see, just like with cataract eyes, you cannot see. But if the cataract is removed, you can see. So similarly, to see Krishna, you have to develop attachment for Krishna. Maya Saktamana, Yogam Junyan Padas. So you have to be free from the cataract. Then you see.
Cataract is the cataract of Maya.
Ah.
False
Yes.
illusion.
So
Am I
that
right?
means, yes, therefore you have to purify your eyes by Bhakti Yoga operation. And then we'll see. We stick.
You have to actually condition yourself to, receive.
And confirmed in the Brahma Samhita, Premanyana Churita Bhakti Vilochane, Santa Sadaiva. Those have become Santa. And those are eyes are smeared with love of God. They see every moment Krishna. They do not see anything but Krishna.
Balam balvada Kamasmi.
Yeah.
Kamaraga Vivarjita.
Now this is another
Kamaraga
thing.
Vivarjita.
Another thing.
Yeah.
That one is very strong. That strong.
Where
Strength
does
is
he get the
Krishna.
strength from?
That is Krishna.
Strength is
That is
Krishna.
Krishna.
Kamaraga
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita. Dharmo aviruddha bhuteshu kamo asmi bhartat. That is a very important. Dharmo aviruddha
This
bhuteshu.
village explained
Yeah.
that. Dharma viruddho.
Dharma viruddha means
Aviruddho.
putrarthe kriyate bhajya. Putrarthe, bhajya, wife is accepted only for getting son, not for sexual intercourse. Putrarthe kriyate bhajya. So when you have sex life, simply for generating good son, that is Krishna. And if you want to enjoy your senses, that is Papa.
That's correct.
Yeah.
If you take that way, then
You take contraceptive and enjoy
Viruddho.
sex life,
that is not allowed.
that is Mahapapa.
Dharma viruddho.
That is killing. This is going on. This is going on.
Ye chaiva satvika bhava.
All over the world.
Ye very important. Ye chaiva satvika bhava. Rajasatan sachaye.
Matte iti tan viddhi.
Hmm.
Natu ham teshu te mai.
Yeah.
All the three modes
Yeah.
of energy also is.
Yes. They are also, as the material elements coming from Krishna. These gunas also coming from Krishna. But Krishna is not there.
Krishna is above that.
Yes.
None of the goals.
Just like an electrician. He is, by his knowledge, he is the same box, he is turning to be refrigerator and again heater. He knows how to the art. So the heat and the coolness is coming from the engineer, but he is not there. He is not there.
Bhi gunamai bhavai ye bhi saram idam
Then again
jagat
comes to that here.
mohitam na
Krishna
vijanati.
is within the dog, but he is not dog.
Yes.
And if you say dog Narayan, that is mistake.
Bhi gunamai bhavai.
Dog Narayan. But if Duridhar can become Narayan, why not dog? What he has done?
Maya sarvamidam kritam jagatam.
That I am explaining. See, if you take in that sense, because he has expanded himself everywhere, so why do you say Duridhar Narayan? You say dog Narayan, Dhani Narayan, cat Narayan, everyone is Narayan. Why you particularize this section?
They are human beings. That's why I think.
No, human. If you have got so broad
Try to
vision,
see the divinity. in
because
human beings.
the Narayan has entered everywhere.
Yes, yes.
So you cannot say simply Daridra Narayan. You can say the Sun Narayan. Sun
Correct, but
Narayan.
the human
There
beings,
is
they are
also.
more, you
That's
see,
right, but
First-
That's,
Dr.
it is
Verma,
argument.
let
It
me
is
explain
argument.
it.
You see, if you have got so broad vision that Narayan is everywhere,
Yes.
vision,
Yes.
why you particularize Daridra Narayan?
so human beings, we are the first effect.
Everyone. Dog Narayan, cat Narayan.
That's nonsense.
These
You are human being.
rascals, what are they? That they are worshipping Daridra Narayan and they are killing goat Narayan.
That's right.
go to Narayana and eating it away.
Yes.
That's the answer of it.
God
killing God.
Huh.
Part of God.
God does not kill.
God never kills anything
He
and
says
nothing
that
is killed.
The human beings and cats and dogs are God himself. That means
No. That's
No,
not
version of the cats and dogs,
Cats
not
and
of
dogs,
Krishna.
not of
You are not understood.
That is this is the version of the cats and dogs.
Even outside
Krishna says, Naham Tesu.
Now this. They
Yeah.
They are in me, not I in them.
Trivi gunamai bhavai sarvam mohitam na vijanati. Mahadevya paramahitam.
By the three modes of nature, they cannot understand
They are not able.
what is Krishna.
Daivesha gunamai maya
Jyota.
bhutya.
Yeah, therefore the bhaktas who have surrendered to Krishna, they can understand everything.
That is the most important.
Yeah.
Mama
Mami,
dushya mula
yeah.
maya pradajnana.
Now, here the
Asuram
question,
bhavamashita.
here the question is, Mami was a prapadanti mayami taranti.
Ah.
So, it is very easy thing. Why not surrender to Krishna and become free from Maya? But that the answer is Namang duskita nam
Four
mudha.
types of people.
Padyanti naraga.
Rascals and muras and sinful men, they do not do that.
And they again chaturvidha bhajanti.
But those who are pious, Sukritino, they do.
Chaturvidha bhajan. My name is Chaturbhai. So it comes first.
They are one of them, Chaturvida. But they, you see, their mode of worship is fourfold. Artho, Jignasu,
Artha Jigyasi means Grihastha.
Tesham gnani nityayukto.
No.
And Jnani and Jignasu, sannyas.
Jnani and I see.
Yeah.
Artho,
Artha, because
Artha.
they Grihasthas, they feel distress of this material.
That is their arthas.
Arthas.
Artho and Artha.
They are in need of money. But a sannyasi is not in need of money.
Jignasu
Neither
and
he
Jnani.
cares for this worldly miseries. Therefore, Jignasu. He is Jignasu. So they are better.
Jnana and Jnani both together.
Yes. Jignasu and Jnana is almost the same thing. Anyway, so Grihasthas are inferior. Because as soon as their distress condition is over, they are no more interested.
They forget.
They are no more interested. But these Jnanis and Jignasu, because they want to know what is Krishna, they continue. That is the difference.
Between Jnani and Jignasu also, Tesham gnani nityayukto eka bhakti vishishyate.
Yes. Jignasu is the beginner and Jnani is realized. Jnani is realized, therefore he is better.
Ek bhakti. He
Ek
is also
bhakti.
ek bhakti.
But that
Single-minded.
Jnani does not mean that I become God. One who is situated in Bhakti Yoga. Eka Bhakti. Hare
Ek
Krishna.
bhakti.
He is dear to me and I am dear to him. Jnani.
Yes.
But he is dear to everyone and everyone is dear to
No,
him.
especially.
Special dear.
Especially.
No, it's all
Just like you have got many students, one is very intelligent, you take care of him especially. Therefore, the Jnani is intelligent. Therefore, he takes care.
Udara sarva ete jnani tu atma eva mematam.
That is very important.
Everything
Jnani
is
tu atma
important.
eva mematam. That
Yes,
means
because
even
he has
Krishna said,
accepted me
Jnana.
after full knowledge.
Ah,
Nobody can defeat him.
very good.
Therefore, he is my Atma.
So,
Especially.
Jnani is
So,
above all.
Astita
Jnani means
mameva.
one who can defend by knowledge Krishna's identity. That is Jnani.
Because he is astita.
Perpetually welded with me.
Yes.
Bhunam janmanam ante jnanam prapadyanti.
And they are so-called Jnanavan, they will take many paths.
So-called, yes,
So-called.
so-called.
Because actually when he becomes wise, he prapadanti, he surrenders. That is this.
If he has become jnani with bhakti,
Then he will find that he has surrendered. Vasudeva surrendered. He has no, Vasudeva, Krishna is everything.
real jnani is that who is
That is real.
and who has surrendered himself. That is correct.
Bhavanam janma.
Bhavanam janma dhyana vasudeva saram atma sudurlava.
Vasudeva sarva eva mitam.
Huh?
Saram
Vasudeva.
khalu.
Vasudeva Sarvamida means Vasudeva is everything. Because you already explained there are two energies, Prakriti of Vasudeva. One apara and para. And whatever you see, this is combination of this apara and para. Therefore Vasudeva is everything. Vasudeva Sarvamiti. Samahatma Sudeva.
Kama is the
So
ritagnya.
that way Vasudeva is sarvam khalu idam dharma ho gaya. Same thing is that.
But Vasudeva is there. It does not mean Mahabharata is there because Vasudeva has got everything. He has become everything, he is finished.
Vasudeva is still above.
No. That
He's transcendent.
nobody
So
says.
that is Mahabharata. Yes, that is Mahabharata. Impersonalism. They don't accept this person. That because Vasudeva has expanded himself in so many ways, therefore the identity of Vasudeva is finished.
It cannot be exactly. Purnam adam purnam idam purnat.
That's all right, but because they are fools, they cannot understand.
Chalo, you are a fool, so you don't know.
Don't call me fool. I'll hit him.
We are fighting. We are fighting now. We are not fighting. Chalo.
One thing I must explain. I think Dr. Patel is the eldest of
Yes, you are.
all.
No, we are
So
equal age.
you are all,
Ah.
he's just like my younger brother.
Yes.
And you are all, mostly, you are just like my son.
Yes, correct.
So I have
I
the
am
right.
also your son.
No, your younger brother,
I am your
sons
son.
are on the same level.
sons are,
So I have got the right to say sometimes.
correct.
That's
Yeah,
helpful.
yeah, right.
Don't be angry.
And we accept it also. You know that within yourself you take us to be something different.
That is out of love.
Antavanta phalam tesham.
Yes.
Bhavati alpamedasham.
But
Devan deva jo
now it
yanti
is clear.
madbhakta yanti mama.
That Antavata phalam tesham, that is intelligence. That if I have to ask something and if it is to be ended, why shall I be interested in such thing? Devan deva jo janti.
Madbhakta yanti mama.
So why not go to Krishna? Why do this? The Mahamad is saying that Krishna has got his Maya body. His body is Maya. Because the origin, absolute, is impersonal. So when the absolute comes in form, he accepts the material element, just like we do. We do. So they are abuddha. Their intelligence is
Avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mam abuddhaya.
bhaktimapanna.
They consider body of Krishna as
Abhaktam.
Krishna.
Abhaktam. The absolute truth is abhaktam.
Absolutely.
And when absolute truth comes
In the form of a body.
incarnation, he accepts this mind body.
Only body
And
and not
that,
the
that
real
has been
inside.
commented by Dr. Radhakrishna. When Krishna says that Manmana Bhagavan Bhaktam Arjajimang Namaskuru, he says that it is not to the Krishna person, but what is within him. Within him. That means he is under the theory that Krishna's body is Maya. So you haven't got to surrender to the body of Krishna. But this fool does not know that there is no such distinction in Krishna.
Avyaktam vyaktimapannam.
No, Krishna has no such distinction as body and soul.
So-called body
Prakritin
is
samadhisthaya. He comes in his own original body. Samavamiju. Prakritin sam. Not this Prakriti. Sham, the spiritual body. That they do not do. Param bhava janata. That Krishna is so powerful that he can come in his spiritual body. Otherwise, how he remembers? Millions of years. If his body is changing, it is material, then how he can remember?
Nam prakasha sarvasya
Yoga Mahasana. Therefore, he is not manifest except to the devotees.
Mudo em na bijanati. Loko.
Again, Mudha and Mudha
Mudha is always
comes.
Vedam samatitani vartamane.
This is Krishna.
Bhavishyani.
Vedam samatita.
Kalatita. Because he is Kalatita.
Kalatita,
He is all
because
time.
he is all spirit. Therefore he knows everything.
Kal is an illusion.
Huh?
Kal is an
The
illusion.
Kal is also Krishna, another form of Krishna.
Yes.
Kalosmi in the 11th chapter, he said.
Ichha dvesha samuthena dvanda mohena bharata.
Yeah.
Sarvabhutani sammoham
Sarge yanti parantapa.
Yeah. Sarge, those who have come to this material world, they are envious of Krishna.
Ichha desha samuthena.
Yeah. Ichha Devana, why shall I serve Krishna? I shall become Krishna. This is Ichha.
Is that so, or by because of illusion or not understanding Krishna, they go on?
No, no.
creating big birth?
Krishna is enjoyer. So just like a big businessman, and his secretary is working under him. So he sometimes thinks, why shall I work under him? Why not become another Birla like him? That is the fall down. He is happy there, becoming secretary of a big man, but he gives us the job and tries himself and becomes a Bhagavan. That's all. This is the position.
Ichha desha
Anyone who is trying to become
Dvanda
Dandamaya,
because they are illusioned by the dvandas.
Dandas.
If they understand that there is unity and nothing else but Krishna exists, then they are released from the
Yes,
Maya.
yes.
Otherwise they are going.
So
to
therefore
reverse
they will
and-
not, if anyone knows that wherever I go, Krishna's supremacy is there. Krishna's supremacy is there. But he is perplexed, Dandamohan, that if I leave Krishna, I become more happy. That is Dandamohan.
Dvanda means of duality of this.
Yeah, duality. He is making duality. That Krishna's interest and my interest
All
differ.
likes and dislikes.
Krishna's interest and my interest differ. That is Dandamohan. When you understand that my interest and Krishna's interest is same, then it is not Dandamohan.
Isham tvantakadam papam jananam punya.
This Dandamohan exists to the sinful man. The one who is free from all sinful resultant action, he can understand Krishna.
De dvanda moha nirmukta bhajante mam.
Then he engages himself, Dhirabhuta. No, I am simply servant of Krishna. That's all.
જરા મરણ મોક્ષાય મામાશ્ચેતી તંતિતે એ બ્રહ્મ.
Now here the real problem is Jara Marana Moksha. But these people, they are engaged in paltry things. The real business is how to become free from the Janma Mrityu Jara baggage. They do not know that.
તે બ્રહ્મ
Real purpose of life they do not know. Take any big
be free
leader.
from.
He does not know what is the aim of life, what is the problem of life. He does not know. Murana Abhijanati. Muramana Abhijanati.
મૂળો એમ ન બીજાના લોકો તે બ્રહ્મ તદ વિદુઃ કૃષ્ણમ અધ્યાત્મમ કર્મ ચ અસલમ.
અધિદૈવતમ અધ્યાત્મમ.
Now these things will be explained further.
Then he becomes
He has
lunatic.
nothing to, he is self-sufficient. He hasn't got to find out Maya to enjoy.
No, the lower, that is the jiva.
Jiva, because he is dependent, he has to, just like a servant, if he wants a little more comfort, he may find out a bigger master, but he has to serve. That is the position. You have to serve. If you don't serve Krishna, then you serve Maya.
That
That's
is what
all.
I was saying, that
This is the position.
that is the
Does
Vedas.
God needs service?
Huh? God does not need. You need to serve God. God does not need.
He is not self-sufficient to me.
He is self-sufficient, but it is for your interest.
He knows before creating people they'll sin.
Huh?
Why does he create them?
Huh? He does not create. This is all nonsense question. He does not create. He does not create.
He's not omniscient.
No, he is omniscient, everything. But you want. Therefore he has given you facility, all right, enjoy. And become entangled. That's all. Therefore at last he says, Sarvadharman Parityaj, Mamekam Saranam. Therefore he says that this is Askalda. You are trying this, that. No, don't try this. Come on. Surrender. This is relationship.
ઈશ્વર સર્વભૂતાનાં હૃદયે અર્જુન તિષ્ઠતિ. Ramyan, but you are the illusion because of the Maya.
One man is in the prison house, so he supports why government has created the prison house. There must be somebody.
To go in, so let me go in.
But government does not want that. Only the criminals are sent there. That's all. Similarly, this material creation, there was no necessity. But because there are criminals who want to enjoy, therefore God has given this facility. All right, you enjoy.
The whole material world is created by the propensity of the past actions of all.
No, because God knows that there are some fools and rascals who will desire like that. All right, if they want,
ચાલી ગયા?
that's like government knows. Suppose government is creating one city, but he is creating at the same time the jail house. Although there is no criminal at that time. But government knows there are some criminals who will fulfill this jail house. Because you are independent, everyone is independent, not absolute independent, but slight independent. So therefore, we have the option either to serve God or serve Maya. That's
Sir God or Sir Mammon.
That's it.
Can't serve two masters at the same time.
That's not
He is, as a matter of fact, what?
any point.
You see, all. You are having all the...
Why does God permit all this sins and
That is very
offenses?
important question.
What is that?
That is the eternal question. Why God created all this?
Why you act? You do not understand. God does not create. But you create. Just like you infect some disease, so you create your disease. Nobody is creating your disease. The simple thing, why don't you understand? If you karanam gunasangasya,
This is what he says, right?
yeah, karanam gunasangasya,
Karanam Gurusanga.
gunasanga. If you associate with the different qualities of this material nature, then you become infected. If you associate with the tamagun, then you become lower class man, animals. That is your fault.
Karanam.
It is not Krishna's
All
fault.
your actions and their effects which are collecting around you as a Jew.
Knows before creating from the first birth how some people will
That is-
exercise
yes, cycle is
this
going on.
so-called free will
Yes,
in
cycle is-
choosing
yes, cycle
sin.
is- yes, cycle is
And
going
still he
on.
creates them. If he were not
No, no,
all-
there is no question of choosing. As soon as you associate some infectious disease, it is not the question of disease. You must be diseased. This is law of nature. if you infect the smallpox disease, then you must be suffering from smallpox. That is law of nature. Not that your father has created smallpox disease for you. Try to understand like this. You infect yourself. Give him
chance. Just but you as a jiva is so much engrossed in the maya and in the tree, in the fruits of it, that you don't heed what the upper bird says.
That is it. Now Krishna says, Sarvadhanman Puritajya Mamena. Who is caring for?
So you stop looking down and look up.
That is independence. Now you suffer.
And once you look up and when you realize that
Then
this is all
become,
is maya,
yeah.
all is due to him, then you get released from the bondage of the maya and you get
Maya it is not for Krishna, for me.
Maya is for jiva.
Yeah. Just like this is darkness. Darkness means absence of sun. But sun is never absence of sun.
Yes, sun is never
Sun is always in the sunlight. It is for us to be in the darkness.
It's a lot of Maya.
Maya mitang taradati. By simply surrendering unto Krishna, one becomes freed from Maya. So how Krishna can be under the influence of Maya?
No, he's a lot of Maya.
Yes.
Maya
But this Mayavadi says that Krishna also, when he comes under the influence of Maya. This is called Maya. Material Adi Bhuta. And Adi Jagga is Paramatma.
Yeah.
And Adi Bhuta is material. And Adi Daiva.
The devas of the Indriyas.
Yes.
All the devas of the 10 Indriyas.
He is asking already. Kim Tat Brahma.
That is, these are the questions. So this will be
So
answered.
in the next chapter it will be answered.
Ah, yeah.
8th chapter. This is the beginning, this is a question put to raise the new chapter.
That also next chapter also Antakale je Mameva Swaranmukta Ayati Samadbhava Ayati
That is
na
Krishna's answer.
Samshaya.
That is a fact, but Antakale you remember him.
You practice remembering Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. How you will be
At
able?
night.
Antokale,
You cannot
there will be so many disarrangement of the body. You see, that if you practice, then it is possible.
As a matter of fact,
Huh?